Forward and bring it back. Each time I do this, it turns a little bit. Okay? So you're always pushing forward and bringing back. Okay, let's see. You don't open your hands. You want to keep them on the side. Put them on the side. Yeah? Yeah? Not too much. Not too much. Just gently. You don't want to squeeze it too much. Yeah? Keep your hands like that. Don't open them.
திவ்யா சப்பாத்தி தேய்ச்சி டச் விட்டு போட்ட.
No. Wait a minute.
It has to be smaller.
Yeah. You want to keep it small, all right? And just a teeny bit, you want to press it in. Just press. Yeah, that's it. And bring it up. Yeah, that's it. And bring it up. Beautiful. Okay, very nice.
ஜானவி என்ன நசுக்குற மாதிரி நசுக்க கூடாது.
This is how
பதம்மா
you get air out.
எதம்மா.
All right. Now take your fingers, bring it up, and that's it. And then again.
Okay, like this.
And go this way, yeah. And now bring it back up again. Right. Good.
திவ்யா திவ்யா கை வச்சு மறைச்சிட்டாங்க, உங்களை பார்க்க விடல.
Okay, so now you want to keep it in the same position. You don't want to change it all around like that. Okay, forward and back.
எக்ஸ்போஸ் பண்ணாதீங்க.
Okay, so now see you have your piece like this. Well,
திவ்யா you are close. Good.
similar.
Why is this big?
Okay, so this part now we want to roll it like that. Okay,
Why is
More.
so big?
more.
கவலைப்படாத, பெரிய சட்டியா வரும்.
You want it rounded.
Okay.
You're good. You're okay. Yeah, that's good. Okay, lift it up. Hand over hand. Press it down. Okay. All right. Now this part we want
கொஞ்சம்
to
காமெடியா
round
வந்திருக்குடா.
this like a dome, like that, so that the center is the highest part. Like that. So you want to have the center high. Like that. Okay, smooth it out. You can smooth it out like this if there's any creases. Yeah. And in the bottom as well. Smooth that out. Okay, good.
Very good.
And that's okay.
நல்லா
And bring the clay
Here. ஆமா ஏதோ பண்ணிட்டான். இவ்வளவு தூரம் பண்ணிட்டோம்ப்பா.
Very good. Yeah.